Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Search Reset My Car. In today's video I'm going to show you I can reset the oil indicator and the inspection indicator of a Seat Tarraco. This one comes from 2023, and in this short video I'm going to show you I can do it for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Search Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars, some tips and tricks about cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start right away. First of all, press the ignition on like this, and then we're gonna use these buttons over here and find the range by scrolling to the right. This one, consumers area, then range. Press and hold this button for about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. Then you'll get this secret menu over here. Scroll down to reset surface oil. Press it. It asks you if you want to confirm by pressing it again. Press it and you'll see that the surface interval has been reset. Do the same for the inspection. Release. Go to the inspection area. Press and press it again if you want to reset that. And you'll see that the inspection also has been reset. There are some other codes over here you can use, or some tricks. Engine code, you can look at your engine code. It appears on the left side of this instrument cluster. Scroll through it. That's about it. And I want to thank you for watching our videos. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.